Most people get this wrong. They assume all rewards credit cards are the same. But the NAB Canada's Reward Signature credit card offers some unique benefits for frequent flyers. Today, they'll give you an honest review, so you know exactly what to expect before applying. The NAB Canada's Reward Signature card is designed for people who want to earn Canada's points on everyday spending. For every dollar spent, you accumulate points that can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, or shopping through the Canada store. What makes it stand out is the higher earning rate on certain categories like groceries, fuel, and travel purchases. One of the biggest benefits is the sign-up bonus. New cardholders can earn a significant amount of Canada's points if they meet the minimum spending requirement within the first few months. This can be enough for a domestic flight or a partial international ticket, which is a real perk for anyone planning trips soon. The card also includes travel benefits like complimentary travel insurance and access to certain Canada's offers. Most people get this wrong by assuming all rewards cards come with insurance. It's actually a feature that adds real value, especially for frequent travelers. However, the card does come with an annual fee, which is higher than basic rewards cards. It's important to weigh whether the points and travel perks justify this cost. If you regularly spend in categories that earn bonus points, the rewards can quickly outweigh the fee, but occasional spenders might not get the same value. The surprising truth about rewards cards like this is that interest rates are high, so carrying a balance can erase the benefits. To maximize value, use it primarily for purchases you would make anyway, and pay off the balance in full each month. In conclusion, the NAB Canada's Reward Signature credit card is a solid option for frequent flyers who want to earn Canada's points faster and enjoy some travel perks. It's not ideal for everyone, but for the right user, it can make a big difference in your travel planning. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to maximize your rewards without getting caught in hidden fees.